Deep in Latvia's forests, the emblematic laser-spotted eagle was endangered by human activities like logging and electrical infrastructure, jeopardizing its fragile habitat and, with it, our rich biodiversity. Life AQPOM project established protected areas and implemented innovative measures to conserve this precious, rare species, providing a safe breeding environment for the jeopardizing birds. These efforts led to the discovery of 543 new nests and the creation of 468 micro-reserves. As part of the project, conservation plans were updated and awareness-raising activities launched to highlight the need for species protection and habitat preservation. One of these initiatives is the Nest webcams, which gained 1.1 million YouTube views from 2018 to 2021.